What up, PeleTele squad? Today is Sunday. I think it's Sunday, March 28th, and I know it's been a while since I came on there and did a forex video, but we're back. So right now, I'm gonna do my Sunday market outlook, and obviously, as you can see here, all we trade is GJ, gang. So it's gonna be a quick update on what I see is about to happen this week on GJ, what I'm expecting, what I'm looking for, type of moves I'm be looking to capitalize on. So we're gonna start from the weekly. The weekly, as you can see, we start. Actually, let's look at the monthly because it's the 28th, right? Which means that in 2 days, which is does this March have 31 days? Anyway, it means that in a couple of days that this month's candle is about to be over, right? So for the most part, we can see that this month's candle is very bearish, bullish. Okay, and since it's only like 2-3 more days left, that's usually a good sign that we should continue bullish. You get me? So me seeing that, I'm looking for a continuation from here, probably somewhere in here. You know what I'm saying? That this is a continuation of the bullish move this week. Okay, so let's go down to the weekly. Last week we came down. Price had a retest on it on the weekly, and now we're continuing up, which is a very good sign for continuation of bulls. All right. So let's go to the daily. Daily, we can now see structure forming, or basically we can actually see a good visual of the retest or the structure that was made on the daily time frame. Right. So I'm gonna just do my little drawing so you can have a visual of the structure that's here. Okay, so we have high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We made this break here, but as you can see, price still continued. Right now, something can happen. Right, I'm envisioning price continuing up, but if price was to come down and do something like this, then we could see, like, we're still bullish on the monthly, right? But we can see like a probably deeper retest on the weekly. Okay, but that to me right now is less probable based on, like I said, the weekly closing, where we are in the monthly, how we're pretty bullish. So I'm so deep into the month that the price should continue going up. Okay, so what I'm looking for at the beginning of the week is the probable retest in here. What I would like to see, actually, probably something like this. Get me? Then I would really capitalize on something like that, you know. So let's go deeper into the month, into the candles, and let's see. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Right, so on the 4-hour, what we have. If it's a little windy, I'm sorry, I'm on my balcony right now, just enjoying the Bahamas breeze. Okay, so bear with me. Right, so we have this. So right now it's crazy, man. I had an entry like right in here, and I was at work, so I wasn't really monitoring my phone. So what I did was I moved my stops in profit, about three pips in profit, basically break even. And this son of a gun came down. I think it's the candle. What was it? Probably it's this one or this one. I don't know. Tapped me out and then continued further. You win some, you lose some. Okay, but that's trading, right? So anyway, so for me to get into this trade now, not now, but for what I would like to see to be able to get into this trade, I would need to see price find support somewhere. Okay, because what we have here is I would need to see some type of formation. So we just broke this high to the left, right? So I would need to see some new higher low, or new lower structure or support to be formed, so I could then capitalize off that loss of momentum of sellers and fresh buys into the market, and then I just take it to the upside. Okay, because for those of you who don't know, if you're new to the channel, I am predominantly a break and retest trader, and yeah, that's my trade, my form or style of trading, and that's that type of move that I'm looking for aligns with not only my trading style but my trading plan. Okay, and as a trader, you should always follow your trading plan, right? So let's drop down to the 2-hour time frame. As you can see, well, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. Market hasn't open. Like I said earlier, it's a Sunday. I usually like to do these when markets open, but we revisit this Monday evening and we'll see what happens. Okay. So on the 2 hour, you can see price started to form, not form, but found a little bit of resistance here, right? Which, if I felt like if this had occurred not on a Friday, but let's say Wednesday or Thursday, then we might have gotten, there's a high probability that would have gotten the retracement and then found support and continued up. Okay, but with market opening today, we might have a gap up, we might have a gap down. Sundays are really tricky. So let's drop on the 1 hour. You guys get basically more zoomed in. You see more candle data than was on the 2 hour. And let's go on a 30 minute. 30 minute, you see price consolidating, but it's still making a little bit of higher highs, right? Which means that price probably could continue upwards on the market open, right? You may see a little push upwards, maybe into this area up here. This is the nearest resistance, and yeah, but I'm not gonna take that because I want the big move, right? Now, if I don't take this trade and I see it does do and it pushes up, then so be it. I missed the trade, right? Because, like I said, my plan is to wait for some sort of support resistance to be found in the 4 hour, and then support to be found in the 4 hour, and then I would drop down to the lower time frame and then make my move from there. Okay, so that's my plan, guys. Remember, always follow your trading plan. Stay safe. Go with the market. Don't force the market. You feel me? The market's your trend is your friend. So happy hunting, boys. Take it easy. See you later on Monday.